I do promise that I will have a Minecraft video for you to look at. And that's what
Okay.
we've got.
Okay.
We've even got a Christmas one today.
Whoa!
I've even found a Christmas one. And it's all to do with present simple, so it still challenges on your grammar, but it is Minecraft Christmas. So this one is called Redstone Christmas. Now, Nathan, what is redstone?
Redstone, we need to find it in cave, and redstone power up more than 1,000 things.
And what does it do? What does redstone do?
Do you like, if you want to use arrow shooter, you just use redstone and use it on. It will shoot arrows like that and
So
power
it gives
up.
power.
Yes.
So if you want, for example, the Christmas tree, you would need redstone to make the lights go on.
Yeah.
Is that right? Okay, let's see if that happens then. So in this video, there are 20 questions to answer.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so it's not just a Minecraft video, it's 20 grammar questions to answer too. So let's have a look at it.
Yeah.
It's the same as last time.
There are two kinds of Steves.
Yeah. Okay, he
Needs more redstone.
needs more redstone. Good. He
He has an idea.
has
Has.
has. Yeah, so that's an irregular verb. Have changes to has. Well done. Oh, wow. He
He gets more redstone.
get or gets?
Get.
Why is it that one?
Get. Because there are more.
No, because it follows he.
Yes.
If it follows he, it has to
It
have
was
the S.
that.
Yeah, it has to have the S if it follows he. Good job. He
Wants some diamonds
wants some diamond. Why does he need diamond?
to build some stronger missiles.
Okay. He wants some diamond.
It's about Endermans again.
He
He doesn't want diamond
Okay, why do we not use don't? Why are you using doesn't?
because we need to have he, so there must be a S.
Good boy, Nathan. Well done. He doesn't want diamond. Well done, Nathan. He
He builds a light switch with a redstone.
builds a light switch with redstone. So that redstone give the light switch power. Is that
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now Steve
has
has
lamp.
has a lamp. Good. Now Steve has a lamp. Steve
Looks at Axel.
Steve looks at Alex. Steve looks at Alex. Alex
Doesn't understand the news.
that word, Nathan?
No.
Oi. Oi.
Noise.
Noise. Alex doesn't understand the noise. Well done. Fire.
Steve doesn't have water.
Steve doesn't have water. Very good. Oh gosh. Alex
Doesn't see the creeper.
Alex doesn't see the creeper. Gosh. Steve and Alex
Doesn't do the same thing.
Now, do we need doesn't because we've got Steve and Alex?
Don't do the same thing.
Okay, so why have you changed? Why have you changed from don't to doesn't? Don't, doesn't to don't.
Because they are two persons.
Two people.
Yes.
So Steve and Alex are two people. Yes?
Yes.
So the pronoun we could use for that is they rather than he. So that's why we need they don't. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. So they don't do the same thing. Alex
doesn't see the golden tools.
Good. Alex doesn't see the golden tools. Well done. Steve
cuts a tree.
Cuts a tree. Alex
doesn't like the noise.
Well done. Good reading. Doesn't like the noise. Alex, Steve.
Steve calls Alex.
Steve calls Alex. Nathan, what does Steve do to call Alex? What does he do? What body
Use
action?
the bell.
Not using the bell. So Steve comes to Alex's room, and what does he do? What body language does he do to call her? What does he do? What body movement does Steve do? Have a look again. Have a look. Have a look again. Okay. Steve's body movement. What does he do? There. What does he do?
I cannot see it.
You couldn't see it. He does this with his hands. He does this.
Okay.
Yeah, he does this with his hand to say, "Come on, follow me." So Steve calls Alex. He says, "Follow me."
Alex doesn't see anything.
Alex doesn't see anything. Because Steve's got his hand across her face to stop her from seeing. So do you think that's part of a surprise? So when you put her hand over, yeah. So he wants to surprise Alex. Let's see what the surprise is. They
doesn't know
think about
what
it.
Steve
Think about it, Nathan. They
don't know what Steve's do.
They don't know what Steve
Do.
do. Think about Steve. Pronoun for Steve is he, isn't it? So they don't know what Steve does. Well, good thinking. Well done. Steve and Alex. So think about it. The pronoun Steve.
Alex doesn't
think about it.
Doesn't see anything.
Think about it, Nathan. You said before, Steve and Alex
see anything.
Good. Steve and Alex don't see anything. Good. It's two people. Well done. Yay! They
get happy.
They get happy. Not lovely.
Yes.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yes.
Well, there you go then, Nathan. That is your little treat for this weekend. Now, how do you think they made that Christmas tree light up? How do you think they made it light up? How did they make the lights?
With the light powder, like put it in and redstone connecting, and you just make it open.
It's easy, is it? Now, I think this bit's a little bit more tricky. How did they make the fireworks?
Because they open the thing so the fireworks will go.
Have you made fireworks before?
Yeah.
You have? Gosh, you're such a pro.
Yeah, in Minecraft, someone tell me I'm number one because they see I win 1,100 zombies and mobs, and they see all the build, like 100 build is I build that build.
And that's quite big, isn't it? That's quite big.
And that's very big build.
It is a big build. Well, it's been a great lesson. I hope you've enjoyed your Minecraft. I will have a look to see if I can find another one for next week. But well done. See you again next time.